Hello, hello. Yeah, okay, hello. I am back from my 2.5 month endeavor to Kathmandu, Bombay, Delhi, Coimbatore, Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm back to my endeavors. So today I thought I'll make a video. First, let me just close all these tabs. Right, so today what we're gonna do is make a video on quizzes. Airplane, right? So I just searched airplane and the first results, oh no, not paper aircraft. First result I got is this one. This one, how do I play it? Classic, let's do classic. Classic, and then I will just actually join my own link. So quizzes.it, I think. No, quizzes join with code. Oh, they changed it to quizzes.com/join. It used to be quizzes.it or something. Let it join up. Vihaan. And I'll just be playing my own quiz. And let me just start it from here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Did Malaysia outside of Europe? Yes, they flew to London, so. I don't want these memes, please. Continue. Is Qantas a safest airline? If you mean a safe airline, then yes, but safest as in, no, I don't know, just continue. Oh god, this is so easy. They put a A380 and a 737, so it's this, the 777. Uh-oh. There, green. Yes, 3 out of 3. Prefer it. There can't be a wrong answer for this. Out of all these, I prefer Malaysia because they're quite good, to be honest. I don't want these stupid power-ups, please. I should have just played my own quiz, but then I would have got 100% right. That wouldn't have been fair, would it? Is Maldo similar to Whitley Liner? They own it, right? Liner owns Malando, so. Bringing on to my question, why does Liner so many airlines and they compete on it like Medan K Jakarta Alliance? Oh, now everyone can fly is actually Air Asia's code on all their planes, but it's one world. They have Super Airjet, Lion Air, Malindo, Wings Air, Batik Air. Where Qantas develop? Australia? There can't be a wrong answer for this. I mean, if you were an open-ended question. 6,070 points. Latest crash in. Oh no, not this one. There's Liner 610, which didn't happen. 80. If they mean Air India Express 1344, the one that did Pegasus, then maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to do power play soon. How can it be like this? Malaysia Airlines. This question's come out twice for me now. And I'm gonna get 2 power-ups. I'd love if school was like this, just answer questions like these, you know. Is first class bigger than economy class? Yes in size, no in cabin layout, but also yes. I have currently at 8940 points. Let me just activate it now. Airbus has the A380. And after crash of M17 was a Amsterdam Crow. I know it's quite low, right? So they'll raise it only by a bit. They won't drop it for sure that much. I think 19. Sell 450. How all people? What? There are lots of Qantas accidents, but I'm gonna say by emergency landing. There was the Qantas 32, and there was also that, what is it? There's one more, right, where it suddenly started, the A330, which went crazy, which airplane carried very less passengers. What do you mean jet? A320. Raw. Where AirAsia develop? Malaysia. They have AirAsia India and Indonesia and AirAsia Singapore now, but it originally developed in KL, so Malaysia. I think it was MH370 and MH17, so I'm gonna put on 2. Stop putting in error. Stop erroring out, will you? 15390. What was the flight for Kuala Lumpur? Oh, I watched the stamp G for this, so I know it's quite low. I think MH4. Yeah, like for flagship flights, it's easy to tell. Currently at 16290. Best low cost airline. There's no answer for this. All 3 of these are low cost, but judging by the guy, he has a natural bias to Malaysia, so I'm gonna put AirAsia for him. Okay, yeah. The person is naturally biased towards Malaysia, so I'm on a roll. What's the difference between AirAsia X and AirAsia? AirAsia X, AirAsia X is the long haul division of AirAsia, primarily with a fleet of Airbus A330s. They used to have one Airbus A340. I don't get points for that, but oh, I did. Where's Citylink developed? Indonesia. I just flew that in yesterday. And Citylink, please market your planes correctly. Yesterday, I flew Citylink, okay? And you know what they did? Redemption question? Alright, jet. They said it's an A320-200, but I could clearly tell by the engines it was an A320 Neo. And once I got one on the plane, I was going crazy. I was like, why? And after landing, yes, I checked the tail number, and then it was a Neo. So please do it properly. Yep. Okay, that was one, but I've only recorded right now for about 8 minutes, which is a bit high, to be honest. Let me try another airplane one. Any other airplane one that has a bit less questions. 9 questions. We have naming airplane air. We have this, which is like, let's just see the question that can't be right. Okay, I think this is nice. There's a simple naming thing, and it should just be like a. How do I try to join another quiz? How on earth do I join quizzes? Join game. Game. Join quiz. No, I didn't like. Join a game. This one. What? How the hell do I join a game? Quizzes. Join. What? Joinmyquiz.com there. I just had to put that in. Start. Alright, I have to be here. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Start of the day with the biggest airplane fly of Airbus is gonna be the Legends. Trillion. I hate these memes. Let's continue, let's go. Biggest airplane 747. What's this airplane? It can be either an 18 or a 15. It looks like both of them. Choo choo. I'm not that good with military. It's gonna be the 18. That's biggest cargo airplane. Antonov AN-225. Antonov AN-225. Correct. Interesting. You always learn something from these quizzes in a fun way. What's this airplane? Of course, that is the... I saw SR-17 Bluebird. I was like, Bluebird? I was like about to click that one, right? Because mind confusion. But of course, it's a Blackbird, not a Bluebird. Bluebird's an airline thing. Oh, that's a 321 XLR, the thing that's still supposed to come. Why have you put it like this? It's a 321 XLR. Come on! We also specifics. 767. Either a 6 or a triple. Incorrect. Boeing 767, of course. Of course. What's this airplane? I'm not good with military, please. Is it the Eagle? Yeah, it's the Eagle. Please, I'm not military. I'm just a normal civil, you know? Actually, let's activate now. American Airlines. American Airline. Let's just put American Airlines or Airlines. Continue. Be fast. What's this plane? The 737. Are you 900? Both of these are the same. Both of these are damn same. Oh! The 777-900. My brain mistakes. Brain of mistakes. I got 3 wrong. Boeing. Under pressure? No! I hate this so much. Okay, just by the sound of it, you know, right? That's the end of today's video. Interesting thing, playing quizzes. Until then, see you next time. Wait for my trip reports, okay? Everybody, bye. Still there? Hello?